Let's talk about token spend and how to manage it. AI spend is projected to hit 1% of global GDP by 2028, and nobody can tell you where it's going. Ramp connects directly to all your providers and automatically tags all your API keys. Here you can see one dashboard of all your AI spend broken down by provider, model, and user. Say someone's spend jumps overnight. Ramp automatically alerts you, telling you who spiked and why. You can also set spend limits on a key, notifying the owner as they get close. Managers and other teammates can also be notified. Every week, you also get a CFO-style briefing that summarizes your spend trends, risks, as well as ways to save money, such as routing to more efficient models or batching your offline workloads. We take your security very seriously. We never see your prompts, only what you spent and where. Go to your dashboard to get started today.